Hi, I'm Andrei from SimpleNet, and today I'll show you how to install the 7G firewall by Perishable Press. The 7G firewall is a lightweight server-level protection against a wide range of malicious requests, bad bots, automated attacks, spam, and many other types of threats. It's lightweight and it's open source and free. You can download it from the perishablepress.com website. I have downloaded already, right? You can download it here. I have it on my computer. It's a TXT file with HD access rules. Right, these are the rules. So I will select all of them and copy. Then log in to the client account, click on services, click on my service, and log into panel. In the panel, I click on my website, then go to Files to access the file manager. Click on Public HTML, then double-click the htaccess file. Here, I can paste the rules that I have copied before. Okay, you can look at these rules. For example, these rules block user agents. So I'm using, for example, hrefs. If I'm using hrefs, I will need to delete this so it doesn't block the hrefs user agent. Then use Command S to save or click the save button. Close, and that's it.